Well, hello. Welcome back to PBR Acres. It's been a long time since I posted anything online. Yeah, today just a quick trip out here. Had to drop off my ice shanty. Had to get that out of my driveway. Make some room for some other stuff, but had to do that. Had to put a lock on my my little privy there, the porta potty. So right after deer season last year, I had the thing pumped out, got it dry, moved the dang thing. I wanted to move it, and I didn't want it full. So before I could even do that, I don't know, someone coming down the highway must have decided that they couldn't make it to the next quit trip. And yeah, they definitely used it and quite a bit of toilet paper. I'm not exactly sure if they made it all the way in there with the amount of toilet paper, but yeah, kudos to that guy or girl, whoever it was. Thanks a lot. That's really nice. So just a little backlog here. What's been going on? Work has been busy. I've been gone multiple weeks here this year for my job. And the other thing is, it's been very wet out here. Very wet. So the one thing that I've done out here since the last video is last week I did rent out a stump grinder. That stump grinder was used along the trail, so I have the trail that comes from the cabin out to that field out there, and that thing's got stumps and stuff all over it, and the ruts have continuously gotten a little bit lower, but the stumps in the middle, they don't go down, so I end up hooking it with my tractor and everything else. So running out of stump grinder, it wasn't quite a quarter mile, but it was quite a bit. I'm so happy with that thing. Unfortunately, there's a lot of ruts out there. Sapping season was very hard on that trail, so we're going to order in a load of sand, and we'll get that spread out and fill them ruts back in, kind of make things nice again so we can access out there. But yeah, I didn't get any footage of that, unfortunately, but if I ever have to get rid of some stumps again, that's the first thing I'm going to do. Before that, I paid someone to come out here with one of those forestry mulchers, and it did not do nearly as good of a job as what this did. I took care of all the little stuff, but anyway, yeah, so there's a lot of projects coming up this year, so this is a little bit of an update for everybody. This year, we're going to stain the outside of the cabin. We got to get that stained. It's time. I got to do corner trim. I still haven't done corner trim. I'm debating on what to do with that. Should I use wood corners, or should I just have a piece of metal bent and then nail that up with the same dark brown as all the soffit? I'm not real sure, but yeah, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. The other thing I did is I did well on an auction this year, and I purchased 36 pieces of pole barn roofing steel, 9.5 foot long. So we're gonna have some projects with that. One of them's gonna be over that shipping container, one of them be next to the shipping container. Some of it's going to be for wood storage. I'm going to make a little area for boiling sap for the evaporator so I can get that out of the elements, make that nice. So lots of projects coming up here. Hopefully work doesn't take me too far away. Hopefully the weather cooperates. But yeah, today it's a beautiful day. It's Memorial Day. It's shout out to our military. And God bless the ones that made the ultimate sacrifice. This country is forever indebted to them. But yeah, beautiful day out here. It's all the leaves have popped. It's getting thick. Ticks are out. Mosquitoes are starting to hatch. But we're also going to be taking those stands that we built in the shop, the stainless steel ones with the legs. We're going to be putting them out in the woods, and we're going to be building little shooting shacks on top of them, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can get at least one of them done for me, and then the other yahoos can sit in trees. But it should be me, my son, and then my son-in-law this year hunting. We will be adding one more bunk bed due to the influx of extra people. That was always the plan, but I have some interior stuff to do, so the ceiling, the last bunk bed, a little bit of more work here and there, that's all going to happen. So hopefully I can get that filmed out to you folks, maybe maybe coming up here in the next few weeks. Hopefully I can start on some of that stuff. I do have quite a schedule coming up here, but anyway, I wanted to say thanks for everybody that watched this video. Stay tuned for more. we got all these projects coming up, and hopefully you guys come along. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. ERH.